In a far, far away fantasy land lived a very sad and lonely piggy who loved to wallow in his own bullshit and loved to talk absolute nonsense day after day. The Asylum presents Piggy's Porky Pies.
Piggy is at it again, spouting more bullshit. Piggy is claiming to have been an engineer and a watchmaker, owning a business with a multi-million-pound turnover.
You know, I was an engineer by trade on a lathe and a miller up in Bridgeport. You could make the internal mechanism of a watch within a day. You can even get fucking detailed drawings online of all the sizes of the watches, of all the parts inside. There's thousands of mechanisms out there. And all you need to do is tweak it a little bit so you don't get done for fucking copyright.
Would you part with your hard-earned cash and buy a watch from Piggy? Let's take a closer look at Piggy's claims that he has a multi-million-pound turnover business. The Asylum has searched public records and has found Piggy's business microaccounts for 2023 and 2024. As you can see from Piggy's business balance sheets, he doesn't have a multi-million-pound turnover, does he? Has Piggy been telling lies again? Piggy, you are a clown, a laughingstock. We all laugh at you. You have zero credibility, zero clout, zero friends, zero money, illiterate, irrelevant, and an imbecile.